What is going on, Savage Life family? Today we are going to be talking about NIO. As you all know, NIO is such an amazing company, and if you are not on this wave, you need to hop on currently. Okay, so let's go ahead and break it down. So NIO is considered the Tesla of China at the current moment, and the market for electric vehicles in China is expected to be huge, putting NIO currently on top of the food chain in terms of EV companies over there. If you take a quick look at China, everything on the road is transitioning to electric / hybrid vehicles. So they are beating us there in terms of making the transition faster than us, I believe so. Now, one thing to keep an eye on, ladies and gentlemen, is that the company's earnings report is scheduled on November 17, so that's why there is extreme volatility for this stock. The earnings report is expected to be a good one, since they did set a sales record and hit key milestones in its growth plans in the quarter. So after the earnings report, the price is projected to rise, so a lot of investors are flocking over to the stock due to that, which is currently at an appealing price at the $40 price range. Now, it may not be an appealing price to the short-term investor, but for long-term investors, we do know the potential of this company, as we know the future is going to transition over to EV, especially now that global warming is a major factor. Now, if you look at the Thinkorswim chart, it may look a little confusing at first glance, but to make things short, these blue lines here are indicating that the shares are overbought, and the red lines here are indicating that the share is currently oversold. Now, this is currently from the week of the 5-day trading chart, meaning that from last Wednesday to here, this is how the progression of the NIO has gone. But $39, $40 price point is being overly bought, and the chart is trending, which means this price right here is pretty reasonable to buy back in before the earnings themselves is reported. Now, as you know, investing in the stock market, higher prices attract more buying, which produces higher prices. So if you see a company with this massive growth potential here, starting off at $6, jumping all the way up to the $40 price point, you may look at this and think two things. Either you look at it and you're like, this is a huge risk stock, because if it started at $6, there's potential for it to massively drop down. Or you may look at it like, wow, if this is what happened in 2 years for the company, can you imagine what will happen 5 years from now if it's only at the $40 price point, and 570% in only 2 years? The massive potential for this company is undeniable, ladies and gentlemen, and that's the mindset that you gotta have. Now, what caused NIO to pop off a lot is many investors flush with cash have strayed away from making lots of short-term plays amid the virus and flock to longer-term potential growth that is unlikely to be affected by the virus. Like NIO, if you are investing in this company, you are thinking of the long-term potential growth, knowing for a fact that not a lot of things could affect this stock here. Me personally, as you see here, I've been trading options on NIO. I sold a cash secured put for $38 price point for $83 in premiums. I've been doing this week by week. Haven't been filled at the moment, but I've been making hundreds of dollars every week selling cash secured puts. And if I do get filled, I'm honestly just going to hold on to the stock, sell calls, etc, 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 as I do believe in this company for long term. So let me know what you guys think of this stock and the plays that you are currently making with NIO. I truly believe this here is a game changer. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like, subscribe, and comment for more in the future. Thank you very much. Have a good day.